Welcome back. BJP has demanded suspension of Health Director Rajnanda Desai for assaulting a woman BJP worker. Damu Naik has demanded an inquiry into the matter. Party has also condemned Lati charge on mining dependent people and BJP workers. On the other hand, Vishwajit Rane has asked for 60 more days to regularize the workers. The workers have rejected the proposal.
थापड मारले सगळ्यांनी पळयलें हे एका डायरेक्टर ह्या पदार बशिल्ल्या दुसऱ्या बायल मनशेक खरें म्हळ्यार लज्जास्पद असं वातावरण तेन्ना असल्यो ज्यो गोष्टी आसा तिणें ह्या पदावेल्यान मुक्त जावचें किंवा सरकारान ताची चवकशी करची आयच्या लाठीचार्जाची आनी कालच्या मारहाणेची सरकारान चवकशी करची अशें आमी ह्या माध्यमांतल्यान सरकारा कडेन मागता.
Earlier, Damu Naik visited discriminated malaria workers at the Directorate of Health Services. Damu has threatened that the party will go to any extent to give justice to the discriminated workers.
की तांकां सेवेन कायम करचें, तांकां कोणाकच मेडिकल किंवा आनी खंयच्या हाज्या ग्राउंडाचेर भायर उडोवची न्ही कारण तांच्यांनी ऑलरेडी 15 वर्सां सर्वीस दिल्ली आसा नॉमिनल पयशांनी आनी त्याच बरोबर एज तांची जर वता जाल्यार ती रिलॅक्सेशन करचें. सरकारा कडेन आमी मागणी करतात की 67 पोस्ट क्रिएट करून फायनान्शियल तांकां एप्रुवल घेवन कॅबिनेट ना जाल्यार पोस्ट फॅक्टो एप्रुवल घेवन तांकां इमिजिएटली तांकां सरकारी नोकरेन सांबाळून घेवचें आनी तांकां न्याय दिवचो. आनी लेजिस्लेचर विंग हाजेर फाल्यां बसका घेवन 24 तारखेक बसका घेवन फुडली दिसा ठरयतलो आनी ते मागीर सरकाराक जड वतले.
Our reporter from Panji, Devidas Kamble, with video journalist Susant Pearl.
Lots of goodies are in the offing for the SC and OBC community. Goa State SC and OBC Finance and Development Corporation has announced 5 new schemes. Financial assistance will be provided to repair houses, for education, business and funeral.
Goa State SC and OBC Finance and Development Corporation launched its 5 new schemes on Tuesday, providing financial assistance to needy SC and OBC people. Corporation will now provide financial assistance of 10,000 rupees to perform final rites on needy SC and OBC people.
पुणे मेलो जाल्यार तेगेले हें करपाक इतले पयशे नासताले सो आमी 10,000 रुपयांचे फायनान्शियल असिस्टंट त्या फॅमिलींक आमी एक्सटेंड करता. So up to 10,000 rupees आमी फायनान्शियल असिस्टंट दितात.
Here are the other schemes. Samruddhi for self-employed, loan up to 1 lakh rupees, 5% interest and repayment term up to 5 years. Aadhar Shila for traditional business class, loan up to 2 lakh rupees, 4% interest, 12.5% subsidy, repayment term up to 5 years. Aadhar Shila is one of the unique scheme introduced by the corporation.
Here is the scheme which gives 4% interest as well as subsidy of 12.5% up to maximum of 25,000. And we have also having this maximum amount of 2 lakh rupees. The repayment is 5 years, that is 60 installments.
Grah Suraksha for house repair, loan up to 2 lakh rupees, 4% interest, repayment term up to 10 years. Vidya Vardhani, an education scheme, professional course fee till graduation will be paid. OBC student will have to secure 75% in 12th standard, while SC student will have to secure 60% in 12th standard. Our video journalist from Panji, Omkar Farari.
Fatorda MLA Damu Naik, along with the teaching and non-teaching staff of Chogle High Secondary School, met Governor K. Shankar Narayan on Tuesday. He has asked the governor to intervene into the matter and stop closure of Chogle High Secondary or to ask the government to take over the section.
डेलिगेशन घेवन गव्हर्नराक मेळ्ळे आनी गव्हर्नराक सगळो प्रकार तांचे कानार घातलो आनी गव्हर्नराक कडेन विनंती केली की तुमी इमिजिएटली हातून हस्तक्षेप करात, इंटरव्हीन करात आनी नॉन टिचींग आनी टिचींग स्टाफ हांकां न्याय दियातच. त्याच बरोबर गोंयच्या आनी मडगांवच्या भागांतले जे अनेक लोक जे ह्या प्रतिश्ठीत कॉलेजीन भितर ॲडमिशन घेवपाक सोदता ते एकाडेमीक वर्सा पासून तांकां त्रास जातले तांणे भितर तुमी हस्तक्षेप करून ती कॉलेज खंयच्याय परिस्थितीन बंद करप ना.
Earlier, Damu Naik had written a letter to the Director of Education showing his society's willingness to take over the Chowgule Higher Secondary School. The staff of the higher secondary is worried about their jobs and Damu has taken up their cause. A video journalist Omkar Falari.
We now move in for a short break. Stay tuned.